Today, we are going to draw a cute koala clinging to a tree. Step 1. Let's draw a big circle for the head. Now, let's draw 2 rainbow shapes on the sides for the ears. In the middle, draw a long oval for a big nose. Let's give our koala 2 tiny dot eyes. Now, let's draw the arm. Draw a sideways U-shape. Connect a curved line from the head to the arm for the body. Draw a tall log right next to its hands. Last step, let's add some yummy leaves on the branch. Great job! Now we are ready to color. Please subscribe for more fun drawings.